So it missed out more evidence bags. So obviously it's been took. Because they're going. And he's going. So God knows what happened there. Interesting stuff. 3 cars. 3 cars. And there's another one still up the top there. Van and that one there. 3. So either they didn't find anything or he's been arrested, but I can't see it because I've seen a morgue car go and then we've still got these 3 remaining. There's an officer on the door there, which I don't know if that's just because of the area, to be honest with you, because it ain't fucking that great an area, this. It's like Beirut on steroids. I don't know, but to me I would possibly say cannabis, but knowing this area it's probably heroin, probably fucking heroin. You don't know, you know what I mean? You've just no idea, have you? So all you can really do, innit? Madness. But definitely the person's been arrested, but we don't know. It's pointless me standing for there for hours just watching bring bags out because it's already gone down. Someone else were in houses and let that woman was saying further up. I don't know. Might be served down, so I don't know.